Alright, catch it, Mitch. Oh shit. Sorry, lady.
Gonna take my Wago out again tonight. We ain't got nothing else going on. Charlie's car, we still need to fix the oil feed line, get some more stuff done on that. Hopefully the clutch for the hatch will be coming in sometime next week. I still need to clean the transmission off, but really want to get this thing back together. Mitch is putting oil in his Camaro right now, and we're getting ready to leave here pretty soon. I'm just jacking it up right now because I think I lost a bolt on my exhaust, or it came loose because I can hear it clunking. So I'm gonna check that out real quick. Got under Wago. So I'm completely missing the nut and bolt on this side, and this one over here is missing the nut. So this is just completely loose, and that's definitely what's causing the rattle. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a nut back onto this one and a bolt through there, and we should be good. Getting the Camaro washed off so it looks good in my rear views. Gonna smoke this V8. Honda power. Roasting them. We fixing to leave right now in Wago. I know you guys want to see more videos of the hatch racing, but still down. I'll get it there soon. Get that back together. Go do more races in the hatch. But for now, we'll go out in slow little Wago. And we just hit 5,000 subscribers last night.
Oh shit.
So thank you guys. It's growing crazy right now. And we'll try to keep you entertained. We'll keep making videos.
Alright, racing the Camaro. 3, 2, 1. You delivering more pizzas?
No.
Not delivering pizzas tonight?
No, I am, for sure.
Are you?
Yeah.
Where do you work?
Cashbox.
Can you hook it up?
Probably.
Down. He's smoking bad. He blew something. Got a 3000 GT and a Mustang. From the lights turning. Oh wait, they've got the green over there. That thing's a 5.0, we'll get smoked. Alright. Probably gonna get smoked by both of them, to be honest. We'll see. Nice.
Yeah, do another burnout. Do another burnout. Once we go, not yet. Yeah.
No fucks. Alright, we just rolled up on this GTR. Sounds like it's got some exhaust work. He said he's down to race.
Hey, dude, that thing's fucking fast.
Dude, thanks.
That's just fucking sick.
Thanks, bro. We've got a 4-wheel drive. Let's see if we can launch on him.
What?
You want to go from the light?
Let's go.
Yeah. Oh, he's gonna two-step it.
Wago got balls.
Jeez.
Fucking fast.
cars. Thing's dirty.
Right?
Dang.
Went down 600.
All these people love your car.
Neck breaker. Just a piece of shit. Damn, and that thing got smoked by us.
Yeah.
Not even fast.
It's slow as heck. Hey.
You wanna drive my car?
Yeah. Oh shit, getting in a GTR.
Oh, what up, guys?
Oh, there's some people back there. Damn, this thing is sweet.
The ball valve sounds kind of cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's my bad. It's ghetto.
Is that thing sick or what?
Fuck yeah. That shit's dirt nasty. Look at that shit.
Hell yeah.
Look at that.
Hey, it's pretty fast though, huh?
It's fucking fast, man. I couldn't handle that speed. That's just
You like it?
That's just too crazy for me.
The GTR's alright.
Yeah, it's alright, but that shit's fucking out of control, bro.
Yeah. I know what you mean.
You can fucking think like that.
It's too complicated.
Right?
Freaking computer driven. I like the realism.
Right?
Simplicity.
Simplicity is key.